Hey guys, welcome back to Automotive. Today we're going to be showing you how to achieve that superior clean for your vehicle using our amazing cherry scented car wash soap. Not only does it help lift dirt and grime effortlessly, but it also leaves your car smelling delightful. Now, this concentrated formula is designed to be tough on dirt but gentle on your vehicle's paint. You can start by grabbing a 5-gallon bucket and diluting 1 to 2 ounces of the soap into the bucket. Now, this is going to be a 150-to-1 ratio, and if you guys are going to be using a foam sprayer like this one, make sure you're using a little bit of soap. You don't have to use too much. You want to start by rinsing off your car with some water. You want to go in with the actual soap. You want to spray that directly on to the vehicle, and you want to cover as much area as you can of the surface of the car, and that is going to be very easy using the Sudz-eze. It does foam very well, and it is a really good foaming soap, so it's going to cover a lot of that surface. Now, we do recommend when you are going to wipe down the vehicle, you would recommend using a wash mitt to wipe down any extra suds or soap that you're seeing on the surface, and you want to get really detailed when you're going throughout that car. Then once you're done, you want to follow in with a pressure washer to rinse the vehicle down, and your result is going to look something like this, and that soap works amazing. And this product here is available at Automotive Specialties, in store or online at palautomotive.com. We'll see you guys.